my name is Laura Corso, and I'm going to present the second intercultural project for the signature of English 4. Well, first time we have the Food for Holidays, that is the activity name, and we are talking about the Food for Holidays and Special Celebration. Well, this activity is related with the first activity of intercultural project, so the first intercultural project, I talk about my trip with my family, my husband, my son, and my mother to Panaca, ubicated on a cafeteria in Colombia. Well, the typical dish of the region is the bandeja paisa, and we are talking about the calentado. Well, for the first, the bandeja paisa I composed with sauces, fried pork that is called chicharrón, arepa, plantain, slice of avocado, ground beef, that is like a son of beef, rice, red beans, components of this dish. Well, complementary with this, for the breakfast in this region, it's the same like the bandeja paisa, less the avocado and fried pork, and it called calentado, and it have egg fried over the dish. Okay, continue with the explication on international dishes. We have two. One of Asian food, there is the sushi, and one of Mexican food, there are chimichangas. There are some of dishes of my favorite personal dishes, so we are talk about this because of that reason. For chimichangas, we have that in compounds like rice, the components are involved in a deep fried burrito with rice, beans, meat, and cheese. Like some other things like the mix of tomato and onions, and the sushi are composed by squares of both that are called boiled rice, usually with raw fish and avocado, but there's a lot of types of sushi are fried or are warm that they call tempura, so you can select or prefer or I don't know, eat a lot of variety of dish. If we identify some common product or all the dishes that I talk about, national, international, we have the rice in all the dishes, and for bandeja paisa and chimichangas, we have the rice, the beans, and the meat. Thank you so much.